Hello students, good morning. Satish Divedi once again for you guys. Dears, as in my previous class, yesterday class and previous video, I talked you over the physical education, importance of physical education and the value of physical education, the role, main role of physical education in our life. And yes, today I'll go ahead towards the subjectively. Today I want to make you head towards a subjectively portion. Dears, so the very first point and the very first starting in the form of heading is 1.1, meaning and definitions of physical education. In this starting and my beginning class, I make you aware and convinced that what is the physical education, and now we'll once again go ahead towards the subjectively literal meaning of physical education. Okay dears, so please be serious and careful, because it's not just a subject for you guys that will make you progressive to get good marks and going outside from the academic institution with a certificate mark sheet. No dear, it's not important only that extends, but it has a great extent also towards your life, whole soul life. And if you are a genuine student of physical education, 100% you will be fit and fine in your future. And yes, you know it very well that happiness always gets its origin from a healthy body. If you are healthy, health is wealth. Health is wealth. As wise men said it, that health is wealth. If you hasn't good health, you can't enjoy your life yourself. So please be serious towards the subject. Meaning and definitions of physical education. Different people have defined physical education in different ways. Dears, many more times I make you suggestions that many heads, many minds. The much people, the much opinions you will get. That's why, because being an important subject nowadays and part of education as our education systems makes it mandatory for all students, for all academic institutions. That's why each and everyone who is related to this field try to give his own opinion over the importance of this subject. So let us have much more types of opinions, notions, ideas and theories from the different type of people. So this is different people have defined physical education in different ways. A few of these definitions by some eminent people are listed below. Eminent means famous. The person who has gained recognition in the field, in the particular field, in an individual field from that he is related to. According to H.C. Buck, the very first scholar with us now this time is Mr. H.C. Buck. According to H.C. Buck, physical education is the part of general education program which is considered with growth, development and education of children through the medium of big muscles activities. It is the education of whole child by means of physical activities or the tools. They are so selected and conducted as to influence every child's life physically, mentally, emotionally and morally. My dears, I want to just to light some important point of views from the definition of Mr. H.C. Buck. Many more important words, the very you can say significant literal words in the definition of Mr. H.C. Buck, and those are, just follow me. The very first thing, physical education is the part of general education program. The very first and foremost thing is that physical education is not any different kind of thing. This is a part of a general education program, as the criteria is done by the authorities. The very first point is it just a part of general education. Second thing, which considered means what is the target, what is the intention of the physical education to be part of physical education system. It is considered with growth. The very first point, very important point here is that what the point of view of physical education to go to the child is the whole soul growth of the student. The very first important point is growth. Second is development, and it's very simple that if you have a growth, if you are gaining growth being a child from any institution or education system, part of education system, and if you are gaining growth day by day, 100% one day will be developed in your life. Things will be developed in your life, surrounding you, around you, all those things, those are around you will be God development. If you are on the path of growth. So the very first point is growth, second one is development, and after that education. First growth, next development, and last growth. Let us have some internal thought and notions over these three words: growth, next development, next education. Now come over the a child stage. Whenever a child enters in the academic area, campus premises, the first thing must be what? He must be physically and mentally healthy. By the learnings from that place, from that premises, from that campus. And if that child is learning something day by day related to the mentally process and physically process, it means he is going towards his own growth. And later, after gaining on a good level growth, he would be able to develop his physically and mentally intelligence, capacity, stamina. And if these things are inside a child 100%, he will be a good student. So now it's clear here, that is first is growth, then development, then education is an important thing for a good child, for a good student, and for a good man for the country, for the nation. So education of children through the medium of big muscles activities, and according to S.C. Buck, how these things will come to that child? What ways there are? The ways are there, medium of big muscles activities. Muscles activities means physically exercises, physically workout, physical workout. Big muscles activities means much more. On a great extent, that child will have to go. Then he will be able to achieve and gain his stamina, and after that good education. It is the education of whole child by means, it is just very important thing, it is the education of whole child. Means to say, physical education, physical activities are the whole education of child, whole soul, because physical education is including all those things, those are helpful in a development of a particular or individual child. Physical activities are the tools. The writer says, mentioning us that physical education is not just education only. It's not just an education that is part of general study education systems. It also important tools to the children, to the students. Tools, they are so selected and conducted as to influence every child's life physically. They are so selected means each and every activity of physical education are just like tools, and not only a simple tools they are general tools they are selected means important activities are included into the tools of physical education. They are so selected and conducted as to influence every child's life physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. And these things, the tools are physically, mentally, and emotionally and morally. Emotions and morals, ethics, good behavior. After using physical activities, 100% these things will be got developed in a child. So dear, this is the definition from a famous scholar H.C. Bock. Now next, according to C.A. Busher, an integral part of total education, integral, that can't be divided. Implied part, important part. Uncut part, integral. Part of total education process which has its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities which have been selected with a view to realizing these outcomes. Now, in the sense of C.A. Busser, this scholar is saying that physical education is an integral part of total education process. It can't be separated from the education system because it is just an integral part nowadays, and which has its aim. And in the sense of Mr. C. Busser, what is the aim of physical education? The aim of physical education in the sense of C.A. Busser is the aim of physical education is the development of physically, mentally, emotionally and socially fit citizens. Means if you want a good citizens, you will have to apply physical education to make them in what ways? Healthy, physically fit, emotionally fit and morally fit, socially fit. These things, these are factors, those make a man good citizen, those convert a man into good citizenship. So C.A. Busser sir is telling us that if you want a good nation, you should have good people. And if you want good people have must good fitness, physically fitness, mentally fitness, socially fitness, morally fitness, or emotionally fitness. And from where these things they will get from physical education. These things they can secure and care. So dears, from these two famous and important definitions, what we realize, what we think over, and what we find, the thing, the idea, the notion, what we find from these two famous definitions is that a physical education is an integral part of education system, and it is the education that make a student special in fitness, special in mental process, special in emotions, special in social activities, and special in moral activities. And if a child get these all good qualities, 100% he will be a strong and good pillar for his nation one day. So dear, now we can say that physical education is a very important subject. We love to it, being a citizen, being a people of a country. Good wish always takes its starting towards goodness. So dears, this is the definition of physical education, and here much more definitions, dear, see here much more definitions from scholars and wise men and physical educationists. So please go all over these, dear students, and read out very very carefully. And now I want to jump over the 1.2, aim and objectives of physical education. The aim of physical education is the wholesome development of an individual. Once again, this similar thought, similar definition and idea. Aim of physical education. Now, the author is trying to make us question that what is the aim of physical education. In the very first, if you remember, I make this question to you all guys. What is the importance? What is the aim of physical education? Why should we go towards this? So and so, many more. And once again, we are meeting the same question. The aim of physical education is the wholesome development of an individual. Wholesome entirely. Whether it may be inside or outside. Entirely growth, entirely development of a child, of a student, of a man is the main aim of physical education. Dears, as Vedas says, let us have a short and little step towards our Vedas and religious mythologies, ideas and notions. Dears, or as once I heard about this notion and ideas from Saint, as our Vedas simply say that if you are able to combine the connection from your outward world, bahari dunya, and inward world, अंदरूनी दुनिया, means if you are able to make a combination connection between these two apart things, outer world, inner world, then 100% you will be able to get that mighty. So dears, if you are going to take a little reference from those notions, ideas, we can certify, we can support, and we can assume this idea true, as the aim of physical education is the wholesome development of an individual. Or it can be said that the aim of physical education is complete living. What a great idea, great thinking. Each and everyone, no doubt, each and everyone want to live. And how to live? We want to live a happy life, a luxurious life, a life that possesses all goodly things, that possesses all beautiful things, that possesses relaxing life. And here it can be said that the aim of physical education is complete living. Complete living. What is complete living? This is what I am trying to make you grasp and learn and understand, yours. complete living is a life that is free from any type of problem. Those are the disturb our physical and mental body structure. Complete living disease make this construction outward physically, make inward mentally construction strong. In what way? How? How it is possible? It is possible only to go towards physical education. This is the aim of physical education. Aim of physical education, okay. The aim of physical education is an apex point, the highest, apex, peak, zenith, top. Apex point which seems to be out of reach. Some students think that it's not possible. How it is possible? But not so. It's possible. We can gain, we can achieve, we can live a complete life by moving ahead according to physical education system. In general, wholesome development of an individual is the aim of physical education. Wholesome, completely, once again, wholesome in all sense, in all ways and in all sense. This is wholesome. Wholesome development of an individual, किसी का संपूर्ण विकास ही फिजिकल एजुकेशन का उद्देश्य है. Is the aim of physical education, and this aim can be achieved step by step, and it's not a Herculean task, it's not an impossible thing. You can achieve wholesome complete life, dears, but how? Step by step, by following the rules and regulations, system and criteria of physical education. Step by step you will be able to get and achieve and gain. These steps are called objectives, and these steps to go towards a wholesome complete life through the physical education are called objectives. Steps of physical education are called objectives. So it is said that aim is one, but objectives may be many. Aim is one, aim is single, no doubt. Target may be a single, but objectives may be different and much more. According to J.F. Williams, physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership, adequate facilities and ample time for the individual and the groups to participate in activities that are physically wholesome, mentally stimulating and socially sound. J.F. Williams says physical education should aim to provide. Before this, we have read out that what is the aim of physical education. Now, scholar J.F. Williams suggests what should be. Before this, we have read out that the aim of is, but this time we are going how should be. In the first, we have read what should be. This time we are going to study how should be. J.F. Williams आप कहते हैं कि physical education should aim, it should be so, how to provide skilled leadership. The first objective of physical education is, according to J.F. Williams, is physical education should provide skilled leadership. Technique, all good technique of a leader must be inside the student. This is the first objective or aim of physical education should be. Adequate facilities, sufficient facilities, things those can be used in that particular area or things or activity. Pertaining to that special criteria task is called a facility. And ample time for the ample enough time individual for a particular person. Means physical education how should be? It should have a great technique to provide all good and great ideas and techniques of a great leadership. Next, all available things those are pertaining to that special zone or field, and ample enough time for the individual, for a person. Enough time should be that person, and the groups to participate in activities, and groups are also must be there to participate in activities, because without taking part in any activities we haven't got any more experience. So we should have participate, we should have met, and we should have engaged into much more activities so that we can get much more experience and knowledge from those activities. Also mentally stimulating and socially sound. These are the things should be on the way of physical education according to J.F. Williams. So dears, now I think you all students have good ideas and good notions and good feelings, and I think a little to a little extent knowledge towards physical education, that what is physical education, how should be physical education, and how we should use physical education, and what is the main task and function, and what is the outcomes of physical education. These are all things I think this time you have got. So dears, आज इतना ही, और मैं ऐसा करता हूँ कि मेरी इस वीडियो से आप लोगों को एक हद तक अप टू सम एक्सटेंट आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन क्या है, और फिजिकल एजुकेशन का कर्तव्य क्या है, या उसका उद्देश्य क्या है, और उससे हमें क्या बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं. तो डियर, और आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. ओके, और आई होप कि आप लोग बुक को रिवाइज करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे और कंटिन्यू पढ़ते रहें बेटा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात करेंगे आप लोगों से. ओके डियर, अप टू देन विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, हैव अ एंजॉयस मोमेंट.